Hey guys, today's Saturday, June the 3rd of 2023, and I wanted to go over the what I call the statistical calendar for nat gas. And I want to apologize. One of my YouTube followers mentioned, "Oh, I forgot the calendar." And then I was like, "No, I did it." But then I realized that my son came in this morning and interrupted me while he opened the door and I was recording. So I lost my thought, and then I had to record a video, and then I didn't record then the calendar. When I first time I did it, I had the calendar and I spoke about it, and I was talking about this experiment. So to say all that, I am doing this video just for the calendar, and I want to kind of talk about it and kind of give you the history behind it. So with the calendar, I started, putting this data. Was it February the 26th? As you can see, it was very simple, just trading days, up, down, and it was just kind of simple. So if you want to take a snapshot, you could take a snapshot of this. We're going to go into March, as you can see, kind of the same thing. And then somewhere around here, April, I started including weekdays, kind of putting my ideas there. It looks like I missed that day, or maybe it was something going on there, a holiday. So you can take a snapshot of that. Sorry, because I want you to be part of this experiment. Snapshot of all the ups and downs and flats. And then we go into April. You can pause the video and take a snapshot of this. And these are all the trading days statistically of what's happened in the past. And the weekday, you can see the percentage is down. You see, maybe I started adding weekday down so it could be more clear. Up trading day, up trading day, up trading day. And then, between trading day and weekday. And then started putting, days you make money, days you lose money or go short. And then I started putting all this stuff here. So this is April. You can take a snapshot of that. Then we go to May. I started getting a little more organized, started making it more clear. Average return by week down, average return by month down. Positive days where you make money, where you lose money, 5/16 to the 19th, that kind of stuff. So you can take a snapshot of that. And then we go into June, where we at right now. So this is the calendar or the forecast for this week, so using trading day. So Monday, trading day, is a down day. Tuesday, you can see the percentage is an up day, trading day. Wednesday is a down day, minus 0.73%. Thursday is a down day. And then Friday is an up day. Always remember, these times have nothing to do with the calendar. That's just an Apple thing. I use a Mac. So it doesn't have nothing to do that, we start going up at 9 a.m. No, you just ignore the time. If I could take the times, I would do it. But when you schedule an event, it always puts the time there. So that's why that's there. And then you have the weekday. So the weekday is up. Normally the Mondays, that means all these weekdays, all these Mondays are normally up on the month of June. And then you have Tuesday that is down. And then I have weekday, Wednesday that is down to flat. So it's like it's down, but it's like kind of flat. It's not really that much movement. So you got these 2 days for the month of June that are down to flat. And then Friday that's just down. So Friday, I always hate when it does that. So Friday normally on the weekday is down. This is kind of flat, weekday down, and weekday up. Then trading day, you guys know what the trading day means, right? I don't know what I did. And then over here, average return by week is down to flat. So not much movement. And average return by month, you can see the percentages is down to flat. So not really that much movement. That's why I think June, July is just kind of slow, kind of sideways if that's what's going to play out. And then in regards to money, I don't know what I'm doing here. Where you lose the most money will be on the 8th or go short. That's another way too, which is the 8th, which is this day right here. So the trading day is down and the weekday is down to flat. So yeah, so this is where you lose the most money or you could go short. And then the second day you lose money or go short will be Wednesday, the 7th. So it's kind of like, it kind of pulls down here and then it kind of looks like Thursday, it goes even more like of a flush. That's what the pattern is showing for these, trading statistic dates. And then days that you will go long or make money or scalping or whatever will be the 6th, which will be Tuesday. So Tuesday is a trading day that's up, and it's a weekday that's down. So it's kind of mixed. But this is the day you will probably make more money. So you have to have a setting rule, a trading rule to let you know if you want to go long, if it, if it does that rule or does that pattern or that whatever it is that you use for trading that tells you, yeah, this is a bullish day. This could be a good day to go long. Now, with that being said, the experiment is, I'm ready in 5 minutes. What I have been noticing is that in regards to the trading day more, when the trading day is down, what I've been noticing is that prices go up. When the trading day statistically is an up day, in regards to trading day, prices go down. So I wonder if the algos and the computers do all the, computation, and they analyze everything that's happened in the past. And then traders look, okay, so this is what's happened in the past. Maybe it's going to repeat again. The algos, the computers go against us or go against, the statistics. That's what I've been pondering in my mind, so I'm just kind of, you guys out there, nerds or computer geeks or whatever, see if you can see any pattern to see if there's any true. I gave you all the numbers on the calendars. You could pause and take screenshots and just look at the days and just see. I mean, you can even look at last week. Last week was a down day on Monday, trading day up on Tuesday, down day on Wednesday, up on Thursday, and up on Friday. And then you got your weekday that's down. Weekday, Thursday is kind of flat. Weekly up, yeah. And let's see, this weekday down, weekday up, weekday up. I normally kind of use more the trading day, but when you have a situation like that where trading day is up and then the weekday is up, which is normally Tuesday, is normally positive. And this was for the month of May. Then statistically, you could kind of have an edge, if you see price action going higher, then, you got these two things backing you up. Probably using probability that prices could go higher if you know these days in advance. But I kind of feel that the algos are very wise and smart, and maybe they got all this data and everybody's crunching these numbers, and they're like, well, you know what? If everybody thinks that this day statistically in the past has been positive, what about we just trap them and then just push it lower and just go the opposite? And that's what I've been pondering, with my mind. So you guys that are out there that are smarter than me, let's see how this week plays out. We got, down day Monday, Tuesday's up, Wednesday's down, Thursday is down, and Friday's up. And you already know the weekdays. Let's see if Monday we go up when it says it really is a trading down, and let's see if we go down Tuesday when, trading statistics shows that it normally goes up on Tuesday. So you got the idea. I don't want to keep repeating myself, but now you know what the statistical calendar is. And it's not something that you would use, to like put your money and, trade your whole house and everything and buy 100 contracts. No, or buy 1 million stocks. It's more kind of like, okay, if I'm going to go long or I'm thinking about going long Tuesday or whatever, what has happened statistically in the past, regards to weekday and trading day. But with the caveat knowing that the algos kind of could sniff this and smell it, and maybe they're trapping us and pushing it against the other way. So maybe in a weird way, you could look at it. So if it's really up, maybe you need to go short. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's kind of like backwards thinking. When it's down, you really should be starting looking to see maybe you go up because, it's going, the opposite. So I don't know. We'll see. I just wanted to put it out there, and especially for the people that enjoy the calendar, bring it up to me if I do forget, because I do find value in it. I always look at it, kind of be like, okay, today's a down day. Let's see if we, and then in conjunction, I look at it with the key levels that I'm looking at. So I'm trying to figure out, where, how we're gonna go, we're below the midpoint. Like right here, this is Monday. If we can't even, close above 219, then it's probably going to get weaker. But if we could at least stay above 219, any little dips, I'm buying it to push higher to, target at 223. If you're scalping or building a position or, whatever, trick or not trick, but whatever, rule you use to like, well, I'm going long when it goes over the 20, or the 50 on the daily or on the 5 minute or on the 10 minute, whatever time frame that you use. So that's kind of like idea, but everybody has a, different trading plan and a different strategy. So it's kind of, that's why this calendar is kind of just for everybody. So it's like, okay, these are what the days are showing. Just, whatever you use to trigger to go long, if it's confirming it, you go with the flow. I am going to sign out. I'm going to enjoy these kids because they're probably cooking. I don't know. They're cooking dinner right now for me. Love you guys, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the statistical calendar.